What you got in it?
It's a 5.7.
Too much on my mind, I got trust issues. If you ain't gang, I can't fuck with you. I know you see me pieced up, I got all kind of juice. When I'm sliding through the mud, I gotta keep my tools. Too much on my mind, I got trust issues. If you ain't gang, I can't fuck with you. I know you see me.
About to get this bad boy washed, man. The homie pulled up to the apartments. He do a little mobile washing. Make sure y'all go check him out, man. I'm gonna let y'all get the footage of it. Right now, while this bitch dirty, gonna clean this bitch up real quick. Look at this shit. You goddamn spell goddamn name in there. Ooh. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir, skis. Look how clean my bitch look. Y'all see this? Y'all see my bitch. Stop playing with her. My man did everything. For the low pricey, y'all can't get my price, but you feel me, hit them up. Y'all get your own price. For the low skis, you see y'all gonna add me on the ground, man. You do the whole inside. Yes, sir, skis. I should have told him to get my goddamn motor. That's what I need him to do. Can he do my motor too, huh? Yes, sir, skis. I'm gonna start him up. It ain't no cold start, but shit, I give y'all what y'all asking for. Give y'all what y'all want. He's too happy. Good looking, champ. Oh yeah, he was too happy. And we on E. That's why I don't be driving like that. Niggas is on E.
Hey, if there's a way you can send me those videos, you still got my number?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, send me some.
Alright, for sure, I got you. That's the man, man. It's the man that's playing with the little truck and shit. Put this on, man. I know my neighbors mad. I know they mad. Oh well. RT, straight pipe, long tube, better sound like. I'm about to show y'all right now. That's normal mode, not in the sport, nothing, just, feel me, cruising. Cruise mode. Nigga, y'all don't wanna see me cruising shit. Y'all wanna see Mr. Wack go dumb. Nigga, sport, traction off. Oh my God. She got away, we making a video. Feel me? That shit's smooth. She ain't gonna stop calling either. We making a video right now. I'm vlogging. I wanna hear the pops watch this. Boy. Instagram video. She is not playing. I'm making a video.
Where are you at?
I'm about to go to the gas station. Can I make a video?
Why did you take me, weirdo?
Cause I just got my car washed. I was just going to the gas station. Nobody.
Who in the backseat?
Bro,
You probably got them pipes.
she be tripping. Ooh, look. So should I go dumb or should I stall him out? He see me. You can see him looking. That's fucked up. Do a little pull for y'all. It's gonna slide though. All that by the fire station. I'm gonna get what I'm asking for. Watch. You want attention? They gonna give me attention. Get up out the way, buddy. Get up out the way, bud. Damn. Damn, buddy. She gotta be old. Elote. Time for some elote. Where my phone goes? It's just going on. This shit like every time I come, I'm thinking I'm about to spend $2. No, $4. That don't make no sense. Enter zip code. Watch out, y'all need to know all that. Good E85. You feel me? You gotta make sure this is straight, get all the gas. Y'all don't say nothing about that to me. That's what I think. Let me think that. How much we putting in today? We on a budget every day. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't get paid yet. We gonna put a dub in there. Nah, I'm lying. I'm on EE. Look at my baby, bro. Everybody thinks she's slow. I got a surprise for you motherfuckers. We're gonna stop it at 35, see if I can get on back. Oh. Y'all see that magic hand right there? I better be careful. Let's get it. Oh shit, receipt. Oh my God, here we go with this bullshit. I'll be back, yo. Sounds so good, bro. Let's get it downshift. Oh my God. That's normal mode. I'm gonna go ahead and stop playing. Put that bitch in sport. Cut the pedal commander on. y'all can hear me the wind, cause I did. The wind probably dumb loud. If y'all missed that little scene, I'll be mad as fuck. Look, another Charger. I think that's the same one I just rode past. Everybody gonna hear me. Every Charger I rode past gonna feel and hear this RT. Watch it, buddy. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. Y'all hear it? Good looking, good looking.
Backfire, man.
Man.
What the fuck you got in it? And your damn motherfucking business, bitch.
It's a 5.7. Boy, I know they probably looking like, what the fuck is that? You like that shit? Good looking, good looking.
Yes, sir. Hey, you be safe out here.
All right, you too.
Subscribe.
All right, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Damn, I think I broke something.
I got trust issues.